This is Acoustic Soundboard. I made this to make voice calls and gaming sessions more fun by playing sound effects. The first thing is to install it. You don't need to do anything but extract the zip file anywhere you want. It's completely portable, so everything is contained inside this folder. If you want to uninstall it, just delete the folder. If you want to be able to talk in your microphone and play sound effects at the same time, I recommend you install the virtual audio cable linked in the description. It's not required, but if you don't do this, you will only be able to play sounds for yourself. Now just start it up. Once it's running, click Select Playback Device and select your speakers or headphones where you want to hear sound. If you just want to play with it yourself, you can stop here, close this window, and go straight to playing sounds. If you want to play sounds to others, select the virtual audio cable. Now click Select Recording Device and select your microphone, then select the virtual audio cable again. Now all you need to do is set hotkeys and select some sound files. You can use Shift, Control, or Alt to set up key combos. I'll do Shift A for the first one, and I'm just going to press Enter to set this, like this text says here. I'll do Control B for the second one, and then just the number 1 for the third. Now select a sound file like this. I'm going to switch my recording program over to my virtual audio cable so you can hear what it sounds like if you're someone else I'm talking to in a game or a voice call. Here is what it sounds like. You can hear my voice, and I'll press some hotkeys to play the sounds. If you want to be really annoying, you can press the hotkey again to repeat the sound up to 10 times. And of course you can play multiple sounds at once. To stop all the sounds, click Stop All Sounds or press Pause or Break on your keyboard. There's a volume slider if you want to control the volume of the sounds. When you're done, just close the window and all your settings will be saved for the next time you start it up. Now I just want to quickly show you how I use this in Discord. So if you open your user settings and go to voice and video, I set my input device to the virtual audio cable so that Discord can hear the soundboard and my voice. And then I check this noise suppression feature in Discord. I set this to none because Discord will detect the sounds as noise and silence them. I also have echo cancellation turned off. You may or may not need that. But the last thing is that when you play a sound and you're talking, you may want to adjust your input sensitivity so that when you play a sound, my eyes! Just make sure that this white circle is below the edge of the green section so that it will detect your microphone. My very last note I will leave you with is if you find your hotkeys are not being detected in certain programs, you can right-click the soundboard and run as administrator. I found this has helped me in those instances. There's a little more info on this in the README if you're curious, but that is all, and I hope you have fun with it.